Looks like I work at Chipotle. Shout out Chipotle, what's going on?
I love Chipotle.
I'm doing the 7-Up challenge.
Burp.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Bobby Boyd Living. It's summertime. Don't let my outfit fool you. I'm still mourning my youth. Okay. There's a saying out there, right, that says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. I won't be doing any of that. None of it.
Country boy, I love you.
But I will make you cowboy caviar. Why? Because I'm classy trashy. So a little bit of caviar, a little bit of cowboy action, and fun fact, there's no caviar in this, okay? So don't get too excited. This is everything you're gonna need to make cowboy caviar, and then, find your favorite cowboy and don't ride him, make him. You know what I mean? All right, so this is not really a recipe, it's just kind of like a how-to, because nothing's going in the oven or on the stove or in the microwave or in your air fryer. It's all here. So this new person that's in our kitchen walks in, I was like, last time I saw you, you were like 14 and a half, but he was 20. And he's like, yeah, I'm 23 now, I'm about to be 24, I'm so, He's about to say old. Then he goes, I get carded everywhere I go. I go, you're fired! Fired!
You're fired.
I tried to give my ID to a bouncer last night. He's like, no, honey, we see all of that. So, let's get to chopping. I didn't chop it the right way, but that's okay. It's my cowboy caviar. I'm gonna do it myself. Thank you. Thank God for the editing process. Can you imagine if they actually had to watch me chop all of this in real time? Honey. Talk about torture. It's looking like a little pico de gallo right now. That's okay. Someone out there is hating me for cutting like this. Wow. I really should have splurged and bought the pre-chopped bell peppers because my wrist is hurting. This is looking like a snack, honey. So I'll just start having some fun with it, then I'll make the dressing. This is 2 cans of corn, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of pinto beans, lovely can of sliced black olives, my favorite, 1 chopped red onion, or if you're my best friend Tabitha, it's purple, it ain't red. I'm like, that's why you get paid the big bucks, girl. I'll do the feta cheese, love it. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Love it or list it. Okay, get some real jalapenos. And no, I'm not gonna take the seeds out. You know why? Because I can handle the heat. Let's see if I can still play sports. Or it's a baby. All of you are regretting not picking me for the team. Now you want to be on my team, don't you?
No.
All right, 3 limes. We need the juice of 3 limes. 1/2 cup of olive oil. 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar. Get into it. A little salt, babe. A little pepper. Spicy, honey. It's spicy, so I'm doing 4 tablespoons. I'm doing 5 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Pour it on, baby. Just pour it on. Oh. So most people put their avocado on after they've already mixed it, but I like it all in there, like get mushy and gushy, you know what I mean?
Nasty!
Look at this. Oh. Honey. This is like my favorite recipe I think I've ever made. It's so fun. Oh, wow. Honey, she lighting us up in here. Turning on the gas. Although I did come home the other night and I was like, I think my house is about to explode. This is not gonna look well, for the ex. He's gonna be like, he blew up our house on purpose. No, I didn't. Olympia left the gas on. I was like, can you imagine if I came in here and started spraying my Aquanet? Psh, we'd be up in flames, honey. Love when you open up a fresh bag of chips. Love it. It's testing time. Testing or tasting, whatever. Taste test. Let's see what this is all about. That's a mouthful. is so good. Classy, trashy works. Ooh, cilantro. This is lit. This is busted. This is fire. Ooh, fire. Fire's the one.
No one says that, but yes.
I don't even know how to like exit out of this video because this didn't even need the skirt steak that I was gonna put in it. You know, if you can't please yourself, how can you please someone else? You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. All right. I hope I don't have cilantro in my teeth. If you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Find yourself a cowboy, do not ride him. I will not be doing that, honey. I'm a classy, trashy man. Thank you for joining us. Toodles! Bye.